Good morning everyone. We were discussing chapter 7 getting to know plant. Before proceeding further, let us recall what we have studied in the previous videos. So we were discussing about important parts of a plant and their function in the plant. First of all, the most important part of any plant is root. Root is the most important part of a plant. Without root, a plant cannot survive. Root, they absorb water and minerals from the soil. So the most important function of the root is to absorb water and mineral from the soil, and then it is supplied to the other parts of the plant. So the main function of root is to absorb water and minerals from the soil. And the second and other important function of root is that it hold the plant firmly in the soil. So, root help the plant to anchor in the soil. Anchor means it hold the soil tightly. Plant, it is fixed into the soil with the help of root. So, root fixes the plant in the soil. So, these are the two important functions of a root. So, first is root absorb water and minerals for the plant. And second is root fixes plant in the soil. Now come to the next important part of the plant, that is stem. Right? So we have discussed root. I hope now it is clear to everyone what is the function of root. To absorb water and mineral from the soil and to fix the plant firmly in the soil. Now let's see the stem. Function of stems is to conduct, here I am labeling that this is stem. So the water and mineral that is absorbed by root, it is supplied to all part of the plant with the help of stem. Means stem carries water and mineral, or you can say stem conduct water and minerals from root to all parts of the plant. So what is the function of stem? It conducts water and mineral from root to all parts of the plant. You all are aware that leaves prepare food for the plant. Stem also help in conducting that food which is prepared in the leaf. Food is prepared in the leaves of a plant. So food that is prepared in the leaves, it is conducted to all parts of the plant, to root also. Root is also the living part of the plant. So it also requires, cell of root, they also require food. So food that is prepared in leaf, it is conducted to all parts of the plant by stem. So stem have two main functions. It conduct water and minerals to all part of the plant. And second, it conduct food which is prepared in leaf to all parts of the plant. So the important function of stem is to conduct water and mineral to all parts of the plant and to conduct food to all parts of the plant. And you can see all the part of a plant like stem, like branches, leaves, fruit, flower, they are bear by the stem. Stem bear branches, leaves, flower, fruits, bud of a plant. So these are the important function of a stem. Now let's discuss the function of leaves. Leaves are called food factory of a plant. So photosynthesis, by which leaves prepare food for the plant, is the important function performed by leaves. So leaves, they perform photosynthesis, and by this process they prepare food for the plant. So photosynthesis is the important function of a leaf. So you can say leaves make food for the plant. And second important function of leaf is transpiration. Leaves, they release water vapors and the process is called transpiration. So the process by which leaves release water vapor into the air is called transpiration. And I have told you that this function is very important because when water vapors, they are released by leaves during transpiration, then it build up a pool. suction pull, or you can say transpiration pull, due to which water which is absorbed by root, it is conducted to all parts of the plant by stem. So water from the soil, from the root, it reaches to the all part of the plant. Some plants are very tall, which we call trees. So up to that higher part of the plant, water is able to reach just because of this transpiration pull. Let me make you clear again. Transpiration is a very important function which is performed by leaves. Due to this transpiration, water which is conducted by stem from root to all parts of the plant, it happens just because of the transpiration. Because transpiration results in a suction pull, a pull that brings the water upward. Clear to everyone? So leaves, they perform two important functions. One, they make food for the plant, and second, they do transpiration. So photosynthesis and transpiration, these are two important processes performed by the leaves. So we have discussed in the previous video about the part of leaves also. Now let's come to the other important part of a plant, and that is flower. The most beautiful part of a plant is flower. Flower is the reproductive part of a plant. So now, today we will discuss parts of a flower in detail. Right? So, today you will learn about parts of a flower. I have told you that flower is the reproductive part of a plant. Flower, it gives rise to fruit and seed. How and in what way flower produce fruit and seed, that I will explain you in the next video.